9 in the 73 car. That is Justin Wagner. Row 4 inside, the 22 of Dwayne Lonsberry. Outside of Dwayne Lonsberry in the 88 is Keaton Rodden. Following row, 81, Crazy Ken Brazy. Outside of him, Dominic Lundy. And then I've got the 52, I don't have a name on that. And the 51 is Chris Page.
52 is Brent Garnhart.
They come, green flag, and we're Roadrunner racing.
And it's that 2X of Bill Schott out of La Crosse, Wisconsin, in his second race out here at the Rockford Speedway, out front early. They'll go 3 wide in the turns 3 and 4 with Bombs, Robbie Robinson, and that 7 of Josh Caven.
Austinson and Wagner battling there. They just made contact there going into turn 1 as the battle's all in the front.
And it's that 2X of Bill Schott who's starting to pull away. But that 18R of Robbie Robinson won't let him go too far. And then William Balmus in that 64 is right there. Is Ryan Austinson in that 17 car working that low track really hard trying to get to that 4th spot. And he will, and also working on that low side is the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury. Trouble with the 7 car. Josh Caven, as he's off the pace a little bit in turns 1 and 2. It's Robbie Robinson in the 18 car now in front over that Bill Schott in that number 2. William Balmus in the 64 not far behind.
Oh, Justin Wagner off the pace in the 73. Don't know what happened there. Now he's picking it back up.
Still, it's Robbie Robinson out front. He's got 1 feature win here at the Rockford Speedway, looking for second. And Bill Schott in that 2X is right behind him, along with William Balms in that 64. And then there's that battle with the 7 and 22 of Ryan Austinson and Dwayne Lounsbury. And it's going to be Lounsbury in that 22 trying to work a little bit lower, but not low enough. As Robbie Robinson in that 18R still holding off the 2 of Bill Schott. Now William Balms is going to make some hard driving. Try to work that top side in the 64. Top 5 cars all on a good pace. At 73 of Justin Wagner holding off in that 6th spot. Chris Page in the 51 to follow. But it's Robinson out front as Schott and Balms in the 64 and 2 are in a battle. Who's going to get second out of those guys so far? You got to catch Robbie Robinson first.
Lonsbury patiently waiting, looking to the inside of Schott as him and Ryan Austinson are side by side as we are halfway through this Roadrunner feature this next time around.
Robinson trying to pull away from the pack. Got about 3 car lengths ahead. It's Schott and Balms going at it in turns 3 and 4. Right now it's the 64 of Balms taking in that 2nd spot. Trying to catch Robbie Robinson. Balms and Schott, back and forth they go with Austinson and Lounsbury all right there. 2, 3, 4, and 5 in a huge bottleneck as that 18 of Robbie Robinson's pulling away. Oh, trouble! Trouble with Balms and Schott, and they regain, but Austinson in the 17 will take so far in the 2nd.
Grabbing that spot, moving ahead is Ryan Austinson and Dwayne Lonsbury. As Balms and Schott, they were almost tangled up, almost got very ugly. Oh, and they're not done yet as they definitely are not happy about what had just happened.
Yeah, they're getting squirrely in the turns 1 and 2. Making tonight interesting, but Robinson's going to continue to run away. The 52 car of Brent Garnhart having all kinds of problems, and he will duck in.
As the leader's now looking into lap traffic as they're coming up on Crazy Ken Brazy in that 81 car. But it looks like he got his problem fixed from earlier as he was smoking. He's not smoking anymore. Good deal.
Austinson and Lounsbury battling for that 2nd spot in that 17 and 22 as Robinson's running away. Wagner in that 4th spot. He had some trouble early, but found his way up to that 4th spot. Bill Schott running off your top 5, and William Balms in the 6th spot. But Robbie Robinson still leading. Austinson and Lounsbury in the 17 and 22 still continue to duke it out.
With 5 to go, it's 4 to go. Robinson definitely can put it on cruise control.
Ordville, Wisconsin, 4th in the points. As he's coming up on Lundy, and he's going to pass the 11 of Lundy. The one-man crew.
As Lonsberry's looking to Ostenson's inside for that second spot. As the second place car and third place car running away from the fourth and fifth place car.
Who's going to finish in second? Ostenson or Lounsbury? 17 or 22? Whatever number you like, whatever car you like, who's it going to be?
What?
Robinson with 1 to go. Ostenson and Lounsbury continue to battle. Wagner trying to catch him in the 73, but he's not. Ken Ostenson in the 17 gets second. And there's your checkered flag going to Robbie Robinson. Second is Ostenson, 22 of Lounsbury third. The 73 of Justin Wagner in fourth. And the number 2X of Bill Schott rounding off your top 5 Roadrunners. On a cool night.
Yeah, a lot of sons, Ostenson, Robinson.
A lot of Wisconsin winners here tonight.
That's true.
Orfordville, Wisconsin is where Robbie Robinson is from. He was 4th in the points. And that 74 Chevy Monte Collar, Over the Limits Rockin' Country, Borderline Auto Sales, and Tammy's Moonlight Trucking. Second feature win for that number 18 car.
Wow. Orfordsville, Wisconsin, from one of our 7-time track champion, Bobby Wilberg, also from that town. I'm sure many of you remember the 28 late model of Bobby Wilberg. But right now, let's give it up for Robbie Robinson.